Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you from wherever you're watching from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Extensible. Earlier on, I did a video on how to stream to TikTok using vMix. Yeah, and this time around, I'm going to be showing you how to stream to TikTok using OBS. The other time I did the vMix on, I didn't have the TikTok account, so it's the best tech helped me with his TikTok account, and I showed you guys how to stream to TikTok using vMix. But this time around, I have a TikTok account where I post my game content. Yes, and I also have a YouTube channel, Extensible Gaming, where I post game contents, full game content. In case you have not subscribed also, you can quickly subscribe to Extensible Gaming. So going back to my video, I'm going to be showing you how to use OBS to stream to TikTok. Using OBS to stream to TikTok. Stay tuned, don't forget my name, Joseph Olasikami. This is Extensible. Alright, so this is my OBS. I'm going to be live streaming one of my games I played. Alright, this is one of the games I'm going to be live streaming. You can also bring in your camera, you can bring in your cam, you can bring in whatever it is you want to live stream. But this time around, I'll be live streaming my game. So this is just the game. Then for the audio, we have to use this monitor and output so I can hear it in my headset. So I don't want to get too much, so I have to close one ear and one ear. Alright, so this is around to live stream, and then I have to take it to my TikTok account. So how do we go to our TikTok account? This is my TikTok account over here, and then we have to log in to begin, of course. So logging in to begin, I will advise you, highly recommended, so not log in using the email or password or whatever. Like whenever options are sent you, it's gonna take it to a long process, because they're gonna try to take it through some tons of process just to prove that you're not a bot. So in order to just go past all that, just scan this directly on your phone. So I'm gonna begin that passing right now. So this is my TikTok account I use. If you have not followed, please you can follow me also. Then go directly to that 3 dots over there, and then you're gonna see your QR code over here. Then this is it, but you're gonna visit the scan option. So this scanning here, just kind of scan this quickly, and then easily it's just gonna log in straight. I think that is one of the easiest way to log in on TikTok on your system. So after that, let me just reduce this volume a bit so it won't affect with my headset. Yeah. So after that, this is what we want to stream. This is our TikTok over here. I just click on go live. Then you want to go live actually. So click on go live, and then you're gonna see all these. At times you're gonna see a lot of things over here, because this is what I used. You're gonna see a lot of things over here, a lot of sources. This is for the portrait version if you want to use portrait. This is for landscape if you want to do a landscape, and then this is for both if you want to do both portrait and landscape. So those watching with phone and see on your phone, those watching with system versus landscape can see a particular thing on system. So you have an X. I have two dual outputs. Those like how on OBS can install the plugin for portrait version and the landscape version. But we're just gonna be doing the landscape for today. So click on the source one or add a new source. So this is our camera here. I'll just add a new source here, and then you'll see your camera. Those minimize all this. And so this is your camera over here. You can go to the camera and you want to add a camera. You can also add different things on OBS, of course. But we're doing basically just for OBS. So we're going to be adding camera. Go to your camera and add, and then over here you see your OBS camera. You can see the difference. This is the image video where I did on my previous video, the image video. You can see OBS virtual camera over here. Now there's something else that can actually be possible over here. When you go to your camera, at times your cameras, like your virtual cameras like Aero webcam, NDI, vMix video, OBS, they might be graded out. You might not be able to use them. So they're not able to use it because you just installed the TikTok studio, so you're not eligible to use it yet. You will have to actually go live into normal camera. That's if you have the member webcam without or if you have the camera you can connect to capture card. You have to go live with the normal camera for like 3 days straight. 30 minutes, 3 days already. 30 minutes for 3 days. Once you do that, then I think the 4th day or the 5th day they should unlock virtual camera, so you can finally use OBS virtual camera. They can add the source directly to it, to OBS virtual camera over here. So when you add the OBS virtual camera, it can be like this. Then you just fit to screen, so it will be big. And then this is my OBS virtual camera, but not turned on the OBS virtual camera on OBS, so it will connect to the TikTok yet. So your OBS, you just go to start virtual camera over here, start virtual camera, and then when you go back to your TikTok, you sit here. So the same thing you're saying is when you notice it's kind of flipped. This over here, it's like this. We can see this the map of the left side, the map here, this is over here at the side. But then you are seeing this is kind of flipped. So what we're going to do is you're going to right click on it, and then we'll see flip over here, flip horizontal. So we have that flip horizontal, you flip horizontal, and then this now is connected to it. Is connected to them with my headset. But now that I've done the video, I want to show you on how you do the audio also. So for the video is done, the audio, once you're playing the audio of it here, this is the audio of the game. Then we go to your TikTok over here, it should connect it automatically. Over here, you can see it here. We'll go to the audio mixer, you see the speakers. Whatever at all is playing on your system, it's going to be playing over here. They can also use the virtual audio cable A plus B, but then it's not necessary, and it costs €5 or so. So I'm not going to advise you to use the virtual audio cable. What you can do over here is, if you had your audio interface plugged in or your sound card plugged in, you can use your sound card over here, or just use your sound card here, and as well use your sound card in OBS. You can use your sound card here and use it in Nginx also. It doesn't matter at all. And then also you can use your system microphone. Looks like I always have your system microphone, like the system speakers rather. This is the way. So whatever it is that is played in my system will be showing in my TikTok. So if I'm playing anything right now in my OBS, we're gonna be playing over here. This is which you can see over here. And then if I mute this because it's not playing over right now, it's no audio will be coming in. When your audio are coming in, you can see the audio coming in also. So this way I just stream this game like I am home playing it right now, and then the streaming. That's how we actually connect to OBS virtual camera. The OBS to the TikTok, both audio and video. And then if you want to go live, just click on go live, and then they're going to ask you some questions like, okay, what is the topic about? So I need to add topic. So that I'm doing gaming, they're going to put some gaming, and then PUBG Mobile is the name of the game. If you want to do any other going to use any other content, like for instance, if I use it for church content, I think church content would be about like let me see what we have here. So be like, is it there's something we use, like you can use orders actually. You can use orders actually, not for gaming. This is for gaming. Instead you can use, let's say, daily life. Daily life, since it's safe for church, guys for learn, since it's for church. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it though. Yeah, so but since I'm doing gaming, I can use gaming, and then the name of the game I'm doing, you can change the title. It's gonna use the last title you use. So if I took a title to join me as I play VBCable, and then that's basically it. Is for the about. And then this is all we have here. You can edit your reservation on the race, can turn on super fan chats, the race, and then the moment you click on go live, it goes live. That is how it be streamed from OBS to TikTok, and TikTok to your audience. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for watching. If this video has been useful to you, please don't hesitate to like, comment, share, subscribe, share to families or loved ones. You can also follow me on TikTok, that is Extensible. You can follow me on my gaming account also on YouTube, Extensible Gaming. Thank you once again. My name is Joseph Olaspome. See you in my next video.